Hello everybody, this is your occupational therapist, Dr. Covington, and today we're going to work with our occupational therapy home kit. So, in your kit you received your modeling clay, your crayons, your scissors, and lots of beads. So today's activity is going to be utilizing the clay and the scissors. Let's get started. So parents, we are going to start off with the scissors and the clay. So if you'll notice that there are lines going straight down each piece of the clay. What we are going to do for our little ones is separate this block into 4 pieces, like so. And we're just going to break that in half. And then we're going to use these 2 horizontal lines to separate this. Just right along there. We separate. And same thing for this one. Right along there. And we now have our 4 pieces. All right, everybody, we're back, and we are with Mrs. Alexia Covington. Say hello, Alexia.
Hello.
So, we're going to work with our clay. So the first thing that we're going to do, both Alexia and I, we're going to take one piece of clay and we are going to roll it with both hands. And we want to roll it out. We want to make sure that it's nice and long when we finish. We're going to work those hands, work those arms, work those shoulders. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Push down hard on it. There you go. You want to make it nice and long, just like mine. Okay?
So long.
So, press it and roll it and press it and roll it and press it and roll it and press it. Good job. Good job. Very good. All right. So, let's move on to part 2. All right, now that we have exercised our arms and our shoulders and our hands as we've been pushing the clay, now we are going to cut the clay. So here's a demonstration. We're going to hold it in one hand. We're going to grab the scissors correctly, and we're going to snip and snip and snip and snip. Clean it off. Snip and snip and snip and snip. Clean it off. Snip and snip and snip and snip. Clean it off. Snip and snip and snip and snip. Clean it off. And snip and snip and snip and snip. Clean it off. And snip and snip and snip and snip. And we have that. Now, let's see Miss Alexia do the same thing. We want to make sure we're holding the scissors correctly. And we're going to
Snip it.
snip, snip, good, snip, 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 snip. You're doing an outstanding job. snip. Clean it off. Snip. 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 And snip.
There's still more.
Very good. Outstanding.
Stay the
Now, let's move on. That we have our 2 piles of snippies. We are going to make balls now.
Oh.
So, let's put them all together and smush them together. Ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Grab yours and you're going to push them together. Push them together like this. Push them. Push them together. Push them. Push them. There you go. Push it together. Now, once you have it pushed together like that, we're going to make a ball. So roll it.
This tickles.
Yes, it does. Roll it together. And we're rolling. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. And keep rolling. Now, let's show everybody our balls. Very good. So, you can practice this with one other piece of clay after you have it divided into 4 pieces, just to work on fine motor skills, bilateral integration, muscle strengthening, and endurance. So, again, this is Dr. Covington with
Mrs. Alexia.
And we'll be seeing you next time for our next therapy session. We'll see you next time. Take care.